Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we will be talking that why is binary search preferred over ternary search, and we will be looking on the advantage and disadvantages of ternary search. So let's get started. So why is binary search preferred over ternary search? First, if you don't know what binary search is, please watch the previous video where I covered about the binary search. And in this video we will be talking about both of them, but more of some this ternary search. So in binary search, as you know that we have to find a middle element, okay, but in ternary search we also have to find the middle element, but we have to find two middle elements. So we have to actually divide by 3 in place of dividing by 2 when we are finding middle element, okay. So now let's see that, as you know that this is a binary code, binary search code of recursive, which is actually recursive implementation. But here in this video we will be talking about a ternary search code somewhat. So as I told you that in the ternary search we actually divide, when we find middle elements we divide by 3. So for finding middle one element we will do L plus R minus L divided by 3, and for finding middle 2 then we will do is as middle 1 plus R minus L divided by 3. So we will be checking if the target element is equals to the middle element or not. If it is, then we will return mid 1. If it is not, then we will check for the middle 2 element. If it matches, then we will return mid 2. And if the target element is less than middle 1, then we will iteratively call ternary search for the left subpart of uh, the left part of the array, but actual as it is divided into 3 parts. So the first uh, the left extreme part of sub array of the array, and if the array, like let's say the target is greater than the middle 2 element, then we will search in the right extreme sub array part of the array. And if let's say these both are not the cases, then the last case is that it is the target is between the middle 1 and middle 2 element. So we will search in the middle sub array of the main array, okay. And if we do not get the target element in the array, then we will return -1, okay. So uh, the main thing is that which one of these two will take less comparisons in worst case, okay. So in here let me explain. See, for comparing this we will be actually having log n times we have to actually check for this. And for checking this, if array is greater than x or not, so we will be having again log n times we have to do the checking. And the first time as well as for entering this if condition there will be one search as well. So in total log n plus 1 will be there. So in total 2 into log n plus 1 will be the comparisons in the worst case, okay. So uh, similarly in the ternary search we have to say that the recursively there will be order like 4 same thing will be there, but log of n 3 plus 1 comparisons will be actually there in the worst case. So for these the recurrence relations will be t of n equals to t of n by 2 plus 2, and t of 1 equals to 1. And in the case of this ternary search it will be order this tn equals to tn n by 3 plus 4, and t1 will be equals to 1. This is the base case actually, t1 equals to 1, okay. So time complexity for this these will be actually these are actually given here, you can see. And these can be calculated via the master theorem, which in brief I actually told in the binary search video somewhat. So um, just let's not focus on time complexity, let's focus on the comparison part, because we have to find which will take less comparisons. So as you know that this is the binary search is taking 2 log 2 and plus 1 comparisons, or we can actually say that log n by 2 comparisons if we are actually asymptotically speaking. And again this log n by 3 into 4 is there. So you can see that if we compare, let's say, this one with this one, so we have to first convert either to log base 2 to log base 3, or log base 3 to log base 2. So doing this we can actually write this one, or let's say this one 2 log n base 3 as 2 divided by, if you know the log properties, then you know that if we have to convert this log into to divide the numerator and denominator, then the base will can we can take any base. So if we take the base 2, then we can say that log n base 2 divided by log 3 base 2 into 2 can be will be there, and we have converted this into n log 2, which we can actually compare with the binary one here. So you can see that as this is a constant, so it in ternary search we have to actually extra multiply with log n this constant with the n log, like log n by 2, not by 2, base 2. So as it is more, so there are more comparisons in ternary search as well. And here it is written that why merge sort divides input array into two halves, and why not in three or more parts. We will see when we will in the next video, when we will cover the merge sort. Okay, so till then, keep watching and keep learning. And yeah, bye bye.